Hey everybody, Ken Krushka here. Today I just want to quickly explain how to make an exclamation point or any other character on a manual typewriter that you would have to have more than one decal or whatever used. You don't have to hit your key and then hit backspace and then hit the period. People, when they typed along, they didn't do it that way. If you were going to exclaim, wow, that was wow, you would go W-O-W, but now you want to hold down the shift key on a manual typewriter, hold down the space bar, hit your apostrophe, hit your period, and now do your spacing. And what do we have without having to go backspacing is, wow, with the apostrophe and the period stacked on top of each other, you've created the exclamation point without needing to go backspacing, and you've continued your sentence. This backspace business, I just don't quite get it. I watched somebody do a 25-minute video lately, and all you have to do is bang, bang, and then you space out after it however your sentence is going to roll, and you've built up your exclamation point. So that's how you work a manual typewriter. Good day, everybody.